Raglan, answer your signal?
Yes, sir.
Should have been aboard by now. We're going ashore, see if anything wrong.
Aye, aye, sir. Stand by below. Skipper's going ashore.
Get in, boys!
That way to the point, Major.
Get your hands off that goddess. It'll be the last time you meddle in my business. Or you...
The gutter. Quick, we'd better get out of here. We have a car back on the road. Good.
Wait. Why not open the goddess here, Major?
An excellent idea. What do you say, Dalton? We couldn't find a better time or place. Good. Oh, boy.
Left. Oh. No. Oh, that's got it.
Oh, look. But what about the explosives and the formula?
Oh, of course. That is the important point. This may be it.
Can you read it, Martling?
Yes. Partly. This is undoubtedly the formula.
Be careful, George. That cylinder contains the most powerful explosive the world has ever known.
Oh.
Why can't we start for home at once?
Simply because no passenger liner leaves Nantique for a week, my dear.
But it might be dangerous to wait, Martling. After all, Raglan and his men are still at large.
True. Then our best plan is to charter a ship. That is, if there is one available.
I'm inclined to think you're right, Major.
All right, I'll get my party together and be aboard within an hour, sir.
That'll be fine, Major. What success, Martling?
Everything's settled. I chartered the only available ship in port.
Fine. When do we sail?
Oh, as soon as possible.
I'll meet you aboard. I'm going to find Nakima.
Well, that'll give me time for a few preparations.
Of course, my dear.
All right. I have good news for you. We're going home. Come on, move along. I'm right with you. How you feeling, George?
Oh, I feel fine, sir.
All right, Nakima.
I put our best cabin at your disposal, Miss Vale. I hope you'll be comfortable.
Thank you. I know I will be.
It isn't often these days we have a lady aboard. I suppose not, Captain. I know you're going to have a very pleasant voyage.
I'm sure of it.
Now, Major, if you'll excuse me, I'll give orders to set sail. Splendid.
Well, homeward bound at last.
Put your forward, mate, top.
Nice fellow, the captain.
Very.
The shade too nice.
What do you mean?
He reminds me of some of the jungle cats I've known. Most dangerous when they purr.
I think you're mistaken, old man.
I hope so. We'll soon find out.
Empty-handed, huh? So we're sailing without the goddess. And who's the bungler now? Well, mister, the contents, the jewels, and the formula are aboard this ship now. You mean that Martling has chartered this vessel? Exactly. You wanted to escape you? I made it my business to see that this was the only ship available. You mean that Martling is aboard this vessel right now? I mean just that. Why, Blade, that's very clever. Very, very clever. Well, why not get what we want? Get rid of these people. Oh, no. You've made too many mistakes already. I'm running this from now on. I warned you. Now, don't show that ugly mug on deck. Break out, old man, mate! Oh, go off, Sylvia, together! Take off your head, Sue! Let go of your sheets, let go of your tack!
storm, Major.
Yeah, looks like a hurricane.
I think I'll turn in before it gets worse.
All right, my dear. Good night.
Good night.
Good night. Franklin's horse. I just saw him.
Are you quite sure, Eula?
Positive, Sergeant. I was on the way to my cabin. He was in the companionway.
That was right, Martin. We walked into a trap. It may not know that Eula saw Raglan.
You brought this thing to a crisis before I was ready, did you?
What do you mean?
That veiled woman saw you.
Yeah? So what?
I warned you.
All of you go quietly to your cabin. I'll remain on deck. I may learn something definite.
What happened?
Never mind. Get some of the crew, get him out of here.
Aye, aye, sir.
They're coming below, sir. Good. You men know what to do. I'll get him out of here before the storm strikes. The big one's still on deck. I'll take care of him. It'll be a rough night.
You better turn in, George.
Yes? You all right?
Fine.
What's the meaning of this?